Hey there Internet! In today's video we're going to be water cooling my wet bench. So to do this I've got a 6-pack of EK compression tubing or compression fittings for their soft tubing. Just silver because those were the cheapest. And I really don't care what color they're going to be for this because you're really not going to be looking at the color of the fittings. Got the EK pump bracket, reservoir, and D5 pump. It's not a EK pump, it's a Swiftech, but it fits just fine inside of the EK mounting bracket with the pump and head and all that fun stuff. Got the EK-Supremacy MX Waterblock, EK-DuraClear tubing, and then Black Ice Nemesis 280 GTS for my radiator. And then this is going to go on the back. There's some fans for my Kraken that you probably saw me put on or try to put on earlier. But now that we've got all that out of the way, let's go ahead and build this.
Alright, so I wanted to show this before I started. These screws right here are for this mounting bracket and they fit perfectly into this, so I can't use a smaller screw, but these slots right here are too thin for the bolt to actually go through, so I had to take a drill bit and come through and try and widen this up a little bit, so now it actually does fit, or at least it fits where I need it to. So it kind of messed up the case right here. I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it'll be all that noticeable, especially when the case is being used, because it's just this little spot and I need to clean it up a little bit, but overall I don't think it's going to be that noticeable. So anyways, that's the case modification that I had to do. So now let's go ahead and get into this and build it.
Well, I'm done building it, so now I'm just running sysprep through the loop, and I'm going to do that for a day or so. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to drain it, and I realized I don't have a drain port on this, so this could be really interesting on how I do that. But either way, I'm going to drain it, rinse it out with fresh distilled water, and then I think I'm going to be putting distilled water in it and then just putting some PT Nuke in that so it stays clean. But we'll get back to that as soon as I've run this for a day or more.